I taught myself how to husk a coconut. At first, it was really difficult. It took over an hour to learn how to do this, but then afterwards, I got the hang of it and it came out really easy. Look at that! Wow! So, stay tuned if you want to know how I learned this. Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, where we explore the wonders of food and the beautiful island of Jamaica. Let's start exploring. Welcome. Okay, welcome back, guys. So let's get into this. Okay, so before we start, I first have to warn you to be careful. I am not telling you to go at home and do this and cut yourself. Please be careful. Okay? Step 1. Cut off the base of your coconut. This is the bottom of your coconut. Hold the coconut diagonally or slant and just continue to go around and cut until it comes off. Okay, so once you have cut off the base, it's time to cut into the top of the coconut. The top of the coconut is the side that grows from the tree. It has a little attachment that shows that it was coming off from the tree. Be very careful when you're doing this because you could actually break your coconut. What we're doing right now is just slicing the coconut at the top, alternating and slicing at another angle that we can slice like a pear. Once you've done that, move on to the next step. You're going to carry down the slices that you made from the top straight to the bottom. Use your machete and carry it down. So we already made slices at the top. Now you're just going to carry those slices down like a pear. Yeah, because when you want to rip the coconut from the top, so you want to ensure that you made the incision or the slices all the way from the top to the bottom, that when we rip it off, it comes off easily. Once you have made your slices, just take the machete and place it right in the center of one of the incisions and just use that machete as a pressure to just force the flesh out. And then you just alternate and use the machete again as a force. You're using the pressure to husk off the flesh of the coconut. See, that's how it works. Then you can just go ahead and just rip it down. This is happening so easy because once again we made the incisions down, so the husk can just come off very easily. Rip it off. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you another one that I did. You just go ahead and just rip it off. Use the machete again to just ease it out. Use the pressure and just ease it out and rip it down. Get in there and just rip it down. Yes, this is actually soothing. You take out all your frustration out on the coconut, use all your strength and just pull it down. You're like Hercules or Superwoman. This one was a little bit difficult at it. Okay, so if this happens, just take the machete and just ease off the husk off. It's a little bit difficult, but just take your time and just do it. Just ease it off, ease it off. Be very careful at this point because the machete can actually slide and cut you. Once you feel like you have eased off a little bit, just go ahead and get in there and just pull it off. Yeah, I did it. Yes, see, I did it. I taught myself how to husk a coconut.